Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best finds for your emergency food storage, Augason Farms tomato powder. If you're looking to stock up on a reliable, high-quality tomato powder in bulk, this might just be your perfect pick. Augason Farms tomato powder is renowned for its versatility and long shelf life, making it ideal for emergency preparedness or everyday use in your favorite recipes. It's crafted from premium tomatoes, dehydrated to preserve that rich, tangy flavor without any additives. This product comes in a convenient 3 pounds 10 ounces size, providing excellent value for money. It's vegetarian-friendly and free from artificial flavors or preservatives, ensuring a pure tomato taste. The powder is easy to reconstitute with water, making it a breeze to whip up tomato sauces, soups, or even rehydrate into tomato paste. Now, let's talk about how versatile this tomato powder really is. You can use it to make quick and delicious tomato sauce for pasta, enhance stews and casseroles, or mix it into your homemade salsa. It's a pantry staple that truly elevates your cooking. What sets Augason Farms apart? Well, besides its excellent taste and quality, it's also packaged for long-term storage. Whether you're prepping for emergencies or just want to have a reliable cooking ingredient on hand, this product ensures you're always prepared. While we won't dive into specific reviews, it's clear from the community feedback that users love the convenience and flavor of this tomato powder. Its Amazon's Choice badge in camping freeze-dried food speaks volumes about its popularity. To wrap it up, Augason Farms tomato powder is a standout choice if you're in the market for bulk tomato powder. It's budget-friendly, versatile, and delivers on quality. Whether you're a food enthusiast, a camping enthusiast, or simply preparing for the unexpected, this product won't disappoint. If you're interested in trying out Augason Farms tomato powder for yourself, I've included a link in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cooking!